Most people don't know this, but these tiny bulbs you see in my hands, they can grow into full-size onions faster than seeds.
Very?
Yes, really. Let's go ahead and plant them and I'll show you how. This is called onion set. This grows faster than seed. At the bottom, this is called the basal plate. This is where the roots will be coming out. At the top, this is where the leaves or the stem will be coming out. They have short stem.
They grow faster than seeds.
Exactly. They're great for beginners. Whether you stay in an apartment or you have a small backyard, anyone can grow this. You can grow it in beds or in a 5-gallon bucket as well, or in a grow bag. They are perfect for beginners. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our beds, and then we're gonna go ahead and amend the soil. We're gonna add some fertilizer, some peat moss to the soil to amend it, because onions love loose soil and lots of sunlight.
The onions need space on the ground.
Exactly, onions need space on the ground because they grow only beneath the ground. That's where the bulb will be forming. Alright, so the big ones, once you get the big lumps, go ahead and crush them. They have to be thin like this, okay?
Okay.
So any big lumps, just go ahead and crush it.
Not this.
Like this. You see this? Just go ahead and crush it down.
And this. Oh, that one. Go.
You got it? You got it? Go. Good job. Good job. Give me a 5. Good job. You're a big baby, eh? You can carry the wheelbarrow now. Alright, move, Sasha.
Do it.
Let's go and put it in the thing. Okay guys, we got the onion set, we got the flat and also called the basket plate. This is where the roots will be going to the ground and the pointy sides goes up.
That's what the leaf grows.
Yes, that's where the leaves grow. So we're gonna go ahead and plant it. Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Okay, Sejan Zara, we're gonna go ahead and plant the onion sets. We're gonna go ahead and plant them about 4 inches apart, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and put them in the soil. Already have them spaced out, so you just need to go ahead and dig them. Remember, the pointy side goes up, the flat end go in the bottom, okay? Alright, so let's go. Dig it, it needs to go down a little bit.
Okay.
So put it like this and cover it. You got it? We planted the onion sets. So we're gonna go ahead and start watering. You can go ahead and continue watering. Make sure they get the soil is nice and moist for them. You got it? You enjoy your time? You like planting the onions? You had fun? What you learn?
The top part go on the top.
The pointy top at the top and the flat bit at the bottom, which is the basket plate. Okay? In a week, you're gonna see green shoots.
That means the onion is growing.
Yes, Asia, that's right. You're gonna see the onions growing. Give it a couple of months, and that's when they're gonna the tiny little bulbs. They're gonna grow into full-size onions. Are you excited?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Alright, you'll be harvesting them.
Yes.
Give me a bounce.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. You never grow onions before? Onion sets are one of the easiest ways to grow.
We show you how they grow.
In the next video, we're gonna show you the updates on the onion sets that we planted and what to do next, also on how to harvest them.
See you in the next time, guys.
Alright, see you.
Go to the park.
You wanna go in the park? Alright, I'll bring you just now.
Me too.
You want to go too?
Yeah.
Alright.